Good morning, students. All of you know, today we are going to start Python. The first chapter is fundamentals, or in this chapter, all common things which have already studied in previous classes. First, definition of computers. A computer is an electronic device under the control of instructions stored in its memory that can accept data input, process the data according to specified rules, program, produce information output, and store the information for future use. This is the definition of computer. In our in other words, we can say that computer is an electronic device which have some mechanical, electrical, and electronics parts. Now the data and information. Data are, what are the data? Data are raw numbers or other findings which by themselves are of limited values. Data are the raw facts and figures. Information, what is information? Information is the way in which we order the data into a meaningful way. Information of data that has been converted into a meaningful and useful context. Computers are being used extensively nowadays in everyday life, every field in the form of laptop, desktop, smartphones, and gadgets, etc. Now, the functionalities of a computer. Any digital computer performs 5 functions in gross terms: take data as input, processing, store the data instructions, process those stored data, generate the output, control all above steps. Now we have the basic computer organization, functional components of computer. Here we have the block diagram of computers. We have, first is the input unit, and second is the central processing unit. It has the two part, ALU and MU. MU stands for memory unit, ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit, and third one is the output unit. Here we will discuss about in details of each unit. Now, input units, a device through which data program from the outside world enter the computer system, जिसके थ्रू आप कंप्यूटर में we can insert or enter the data, just like keyboard. Output device, a output device through which results stored in computer memory are made available outside the computer system, such as speaker, monitor. These are the output unit. Control unit, it organizes the computer to work computer as single unit. कंट्रोल यूनिट क्या करती है? आपका जो पूरे प्रोग्राम को, पूरे आपके कंप्यूटर को कंट्रोल करती है, किसको कितना स्पेस प्रोवाइड करना है, किसको कितना टाइम देना है, वो सब आपका कंट्रोल यूनिट डिसाइड करती है. अर्थमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट, ये यूनिट आपका परफॉर्म करेगी जो अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस हैं, जैसे एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशंस and or logical operators and or not. ALUs have a small amount of special storage units called registers. Registers are used to store the memory data that can be accessed faster than memory. वो आपका CPU के रजिस्टर में ही स्टोर होते हैं. Memory, a collection of cells each with a unique physical address. Most computers byte address cell. मेमोरी क्या होती है? आपकी जो भी आपके डाटा स्टोर होता है वो एक सेल्स की फॉर्म में होता है, जिसको हम एक मेमोरी एड्रेस कहते हैं या बाइट्स. अभी हम आज इतना ही रखेंगे इसको. नेक्स्ट हम टॉपिक में कल आपको और आगे पढ़ाएंगे. तब तक के लिए आप इसको पढ़िए अच्छे से, ध्यान से. मैंने आपको ई बुक भी शेयर किया है. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो यू कैन कॉल मी, यू कैन मैसेज मी. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.